Hello. The purpose of this video is to discuss how to create an Apple ID from the App Store on the iPad. The first thing we need to talk about is what an Apple ID is. And essentially it is an account that you create with Apple that allows you to download content. If you're using the App Store and you want to download an app. If you're in iBooks and you want to download an iBook. If you're in the iTunes University and you want to download content from iTunes University. All of that is used with your Apple ID. It can be associated with any email address, so you could certainly use your StayNext email address, or if you would prefer, a personal email address. From that point on, you can choose whether or not to input payment information, or you can leave that empty so that you can only create or only download free content. So on the iPad, if you want to create an Apple ID, we'll click on the App Store, which, if you look to the top right above the coffee mug, is this blue icon with the A in it. And we open to this screen, and this is the Apple's main featured page. And so it's highlighting various apps. But I'm going to take my finger and scroll down. And so on the iPad, scrolling down is actually scrolling from the bottom to the top. So I'm kind of moving my hand in that upward direction. And at the bottom left, after I've scrolled all the way down, we see this button that says sign in. So I'm going to select sign in. And I have the option to now create an Apple ID. And so what iTunes and the App Store will walk you through is a series of steps on creating an Apple ID. It'll ask you for what country you're in. Fine, I agree with the terms of the email, or the terms of condition, I agree. Let's let this load for a second. And then the next step will be entering your name, your address, your phone number, security questions for your account. And so what this will do is if you ever forget your account, we can go to a website, answer the security questions, and then your passcode will be revealed to you. And so then this is the process of creating an Apple ID. Once you've created an Apple ID, the next screen will be payment information. Then you'll get an email, and you'll want to confirm your email. There'll be a link in that email that you'll have to click, and you'll be all set. From that point forward, you'll be able to verify your account, download any apps, and do whatever you need to do. One final note, on this screen where you're filling in your email address, your password, and the security questions, please toggle these to off. Otherwise, your email account will be flooded with promotional emails, which, unless you want those, I would suggest turning those off. Thank you. If you need anything, my extension is 780 or jsure@stsavior.org. Thank you.